for this one, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a couple of these whistle chasers, and then I'm just going to go for the ultimate, okay? Where the Before I remove the motor, let's go ahead and test it. That way you can see that it still runs. Holy shit. Dude, it actually blows more air with clipped blades. I mean, look, I'm not kidding. Look. Hang on, let me get something here. Look at this shit. I ain't bullshitting either, look. Look. Well, there you go. I must have gave away a good hack for anyone that's got a cheaper box fan on how to mod it to blow more air. All you do is you just clip the blades back. Yeah, you just clip the dead parts off. The part that's thin, just clip that part off. Alright. There it is. That's the only part that's still good on the whole fan. Switch and the motor. Okay, Tori, before I send it off to you, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it up, clean the shaft up, then I'm going to put some oil on both sides. I don't want to give it to you dirty like this, so I'm going to have it all cleaned up for you. You're going to have the 4 mounting screws for it. And it is a genuine Lakewood motor. So there you go. Now for the rest of the fan. Oh yeah. Let me give you the handle as well. Yeah. Now you got a handle too. That's gonna go with that. That's the rest of it since it's all banged up. Be a little more flimsier than this. That was the Glasgow. It's still a Lakewood, so it's still a little stronger. Yeah. I shipped the frame too, but it's all banged up. Hey, I got a guitar now.